Hello guys, welcome back to Grand Project Cars, and today we are going to fix one of the most common issues we find in all the vehicles. See if you have the same issue, that is misaligned washer fluid nozzles. You can see the left side is kind of off, the right side ones are perfect. You have to find out actually if there's anything wrong with them. Sometimes in my case you don't straight away see that there is an issue, but there is something wrong with the where the water is falling onto the windscreen. So to find that, actually we can refer our service manuals, which I will show you guys now, and in that image you can see where actually the water should fall on the windscreen, and you can adjust those nozzles, which is pretty simple, and that's what I'm going to show you today. So before we start up, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing, and also hit that bell icon to not get notifications every time we upload a new video. Measuring tape, a whiteboard marker. Use a whiteboard marker because it's easy to remove, and there's a small tip with this as well. And you need a small pin tool, something like this. You can also use a pin instead of using some tool like this. And sometimes, depending on your nozzle, you might have different things. You might have a flathead screwdriver adjustment. Just check your nozzles before you try it out, and also service manuals for more information. So here's a close-up on my nozzle. You can see there. You need to put the pin into those small holes, and you can adjust it like a ball point. So it's pretty easy. And before we start, we need to first measure the positions where the water is actually going in. As I showed you guys in the diagram, it is easy to take those locations. You're going to measure it from this black border and the center of the windscreen. So let me do it off the camera and I'll show you how I got it. So one small tip with that is that you need to put the cross on top of the windscreen as well as from inside. So in case your wipers start working, no problem at all. So in my case, I'm gonna keep the wipers off the windscreen, but for added protection, you're gonna do that. Otherwise, you'll have to start the thing over again. So now that, guys, we have marked the positions according to the service manual, you can see all these crosses. So there are 4 crosses, and we are going to see if the water is spraying onto these spots. If not, we can adjust it using the simple tool. So I'm gonna give a first attempt to test it out. You can see that the water should come over here, but it's a little bit off. In here also it's a little bit off from this position, and in the third one it's really off. You can see it should spray here, but it's actually spraying somewhere over here. And the fourth one is too far away, spraying. I mean, it should spray over here, but it's going up till over here. So you need to fix almost all 4 small adjustments, and while doing this you'll of course have to spray multiple times. So make sure you have fluid in your reservoir tank, in the fluid reservoir, washer fluid reservoir, and you can use water because you're going to waste it, of course, by spraying it several times, and then use the fluid itself. So let's start. So we're going to start from the left most side and work our way through to the driver's side. Okay, so you can adjust it. There you go. I'm just losing my alignments for you guys. So I feel that's it, and we need to test it, of course. And I'll do the rest off camera, and we'll see the results. Left side results are what we're going to see now. You can see it's even worse. This may happen, you need to repeat it several times, but with repeating you'll get it done somehow. So we have seen a slight improvement in this particular position. It was somewhere over here, so it has come to somewhere over here. So but the spray level, it has dropped down, so we need to increase it up to somewhere over here. And the other side, it has dropped down again, but the alignment is correct, so we need to raise it to be able to straight away spray it onto the spot. So I'll catch you guys with the results. So guys, after 4 attempts, I've finally got it to these spots. So you can see here, this is one black spot, and it's straight away coming there. And the other one, I hope the camera is catching. I'm sorry because of the sunlight. And there you go. So if you get somewhere around that cross at most closely, because there is a diameter the manufacturer recommends, it's totally fine. You don't need to get it to the precise position, exact position. And since the left side or the passenger side is done, we are going to now move on to the driver side. Driver side should be much more easier because the alignment is not that off, but it's a little bit to get over to the spots. Have a look at it once again. So both the spray lines need to come a little closer to work perfectly. So let's adjust that side and see final results. So let's see final results. So I have been adjusting these two nozzles for more than 10 attempts, and finally we can see the results. And here we go. So one cross is over here and the other one is over here. You can see it's over here, right? So here we go. It's aligned, and this one is to align. So let's see 4 wiper nozzle spray points at the same time. They all align perfectly. So that's it guys. It's very simple. It takes a little bit of time and effort, but it's always good to see it. And when the water is actually falling onto the very precise position, the wiper movements and all are streak free. You can achieve a very good streak free wipe. I've personally experienced it. So try it in your vehicles. Your vehicles may have different mechanisms in nozzle adjustment. Check your owner's manual or service manuals before you try them out. So this particular is a Nissan J31. You call it Nissan Cefiro, Teana, whatever. And this is the way to do it. So thank you very much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. So that's it for this video guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So take care, and thank you very much.